Hey guys, today I'm at a client site and I need to wipe two SSDs. And today I'm using the Tableau Forensic Duplicator TD2u by Guidance Software. They make great little hardware devices. You can do USB to USB imaging, hard drive to hard drive imaging, hard drive to EO1s. I mean, you can really do anything with this. It's a great forensic tool to have in your toolkit. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you, I'm going to boot this up, but I'm going to be showing you how we can wipe two SSDs at the same time and do like a DoD secure wipe with that. So you can see I already detected SATA 1 and 2 destinations, which that's what I have set up, 1 and 2 SSDs right there. When we go down to wipe, because we want to wipe these, you can see our option is just single pass, and it doesn't really give us anything else to change that. So to change this single pass, because we want to do more than one pass at this, you want to scroll down to setup, go into setup, go to image setup, then scroll to the very bottom till we find wipe type single pass. So let's change that, and there's option for multi-pass, secure erase, and prompt. I'm actually going to change it to prompt because not all the times I'm going to be wanting to use DoD or secure wipe, so it's nice to have those options when we go and wipe. So let's go back one more, go back up to wipe, and now we should have where we can get prompt. So we hit start. Now we have the options. So I'm going to go ahead and select secure erase. So hit select. And now it's going to be wiping these drives with 3 or 4 passes and doing a secure wipe with those drives. There you guys have it. It is starting the wipe, doing that secure wipe method that we selected. And that's how we can wipe 2 drives at the same time using a Tableau Forensic Duplicator TD2u.